So up until now, you've been using CodeGeeka.com to go through some of the HTML and CSS tutorials there. So you should be fairly familiar with those tags. But now we're going to put it into practice and we're going to create our own websites. In terms of the content of your website, it could be anything. It must be something that you are really passionate about. So it could be a website about yourself, your interests, your hobbies, world issues that you think are important. So choose some content that you really want to tell us about. It's your chance to tell us about what you really care about. We'll be using Notepad as an editor. Now you can download Notepad++. So I went onto Google and I searched Notepad++, and here we go. Here's a download. You can download it onto your computer. It looks like there's also an online version that you can use. You will need to be able to save it to your computer so you can continue working on it. But as long as you can do that, you can use any plain text editor. The whole idea is that you're learning to use HTML and CSS, and Notepad is the best for that. You can also, and I'll just have to open the screen up a little bit, move it down. If you go search on your computer and you just type in Notepad, you'll find that there is a Notepad app. And if you're on an Apple machine, you'll have a plain text editor app as well. So I'm going to be using that particular one. So I'm just going to open it up and you notice it says Untitled Notepad. I'm just going to show you quickly how to save it to your folder. So we haven't put anything in it yet, but we're going to save it quickly. You just go File, Save As. I'm going to go into my Downloads folder, but you go to wherever you're comfortable, wherever you can find the files. And first step I'm going to do is I'm going to make a new folder. So I create a new folder, and I'm going to call it My Website. You can give it any name, really. But the whole idea is that absolutely everything that is part of your website needs to be in a folder. When you publish your website, all you do is you upload that folder onto your web server. So I'm going to click inside. So I'm now in my Downloads folder. I know where to find it, and it's My Website. And the document is always called index. So your home page is always called index. I would keep it lowercase. And when you go Save as Type, it must be all files. Okay, and it's called index.html. The reason it's called index is so that you can always find the home page. When you type in the URL of a website, it goes to the folder for that website and it looks for the index page and it loads that page. So you need to know what it's called. So index.html, keep it lowercase, and just go Save. And you now have that document inside your folder. I'm going to quickly open that folder up, click inside it, and you can see there index.html. And if I go click, open, it opens inside my Chrome browser. You can go right click and choose whatever browser you want to use. And you'll notice at the moment the page is empty. That's because we haven't done anything yet. We'll start next time.